Software engineers were the only professional group to benefit from remote work in terms of productivity. Our task is to decide whether this conclusion follows beyond reasonable doubt, based solely on the passage above. The correct answer is conclusion does not follow, and we'll prove this by going through the passage line by line. A survey of 900 professionals examined how remote work affects output. This sets the scope. The data comes from a professional survey focused on productivity. 68% reported that their productivity was the same as or greater than when working in the office. This tells us a majority of professionals saw no drop or even an increase in productivity. Respondents with at least 5 years of remote work experience said their productivity was 30% higher than that of colleagues who had begun working remotely within the past year. This shows that experience levels matter, but says nothing about job role. Software engineers registered the greatest productivity gains among all job categories. This line is key. It tells us software engineers improved the most, but it does not say that they were the only group to improve. Greatest is a comparative word. It assumes other groups also gained, just not as large. Participants aged 50 and above reported 10% lower productivity than those aged 35 or younger. This relates to age, not profession, so it's irrelevant to the conclusion. The passage clearly contradicts the proposed conclusion, stating many groups benefited from remote work, and explicitly stating software engineers benefit most. Because benefiting most is not the same as the only beneficiaries, we can answer the conclusion does not follow.